Auzubillahis-samil-alim-minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Bihi asta'inu fi jami'il umur. Alhamdulillahi wa salamun ala ibadihi allazina istafa. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri. Wahalal uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mufaddal Mirza. Today is the blessed day of 11th day of 1953. 67 years ago, the family of Sheikh Akbar Ali Adamji Mirza started when my mother, Mahfooza Akbar Ali, brought me to this wonderful world on this blessed day, the 11th day of 1953, 67 years ago. 63 years ago, when I was 4 years old, my father made the commitment in front of his friends during a Sunday brunch meeting at our shop that he is going to make sure that I acquire education, the highest education up to PhD. So the journey, educational journey began with basic education in St. Paul's, Karachi, under the leadership of Father Trinidad. Pre-engineering education was acquired in the first batch of Pakistan Ship Owners College under the leadership of J.B. Sidhwa and the DJ high performance faculty. Under the leadership of Dr. Harun Jangda, acquired bachelor's in chemical engineering from Dawood University of Engineering and Technology. Got 6 years training experience as a trainee engineer in Pakistan Refinery Limited. Proceeded to Detroit, Michigan, and got master's in chemical engineering under the leadership of Dr. Ralph Kamler. Took a break from education and came back to Pakistan and joined Exxon Chemicals to learn applied chemical engineering and got expertise in the area of modeling and simulation and heterogeneous catalysis. Proceeded back to Detroit, Michigan, and joined the team of Dr. Alan Brenner in chemistry to continue the research in artificial intelligence as applied to heterogeneous catalysis. Taught computer science and chemistry courses. Then proceeded to University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign, joined in Illinois State Geological Survey, did some research in fuel cells and number of projects over there. Then got a project of food extrusion in University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign and converted that project into a PhD in food science. Proceeded to Nova Scotia, Canada, to do some work in rheology of food systems. Came back to Pakistan and started up Procter & Gamble as a startup team. And the last employment was at Institute of Business Management as Associate Professor of Industrial Engineering and Management. The Total Quality Life Maintenance Association was transformed by one of my MBA students into Total Quality Life Maintenance Associates as a proprietorship, initiate the journey of climate smart Tayyab entrepreneurship. Today, the company is uplifted to the level of SAM's TQLMA Global, a global company following the model of Procter & Gamble, to provide total quality products and services, climate smart total quality products and services to the residents of our planet to combat multiple pandemics which the families of our world is facing today. During the lockdown, fellow scientists, engineers have developed a unique model to provide sustainable income, immunity boosting climate smart food, and 5G proof homes to global families. The mechanism of acquiring these services is very simple. Everyone can participate by becoming TQLMA Club member with one People's Gold coin, which is equivalent to 0.025 gram gold. In Pakistan rupees, it is equivalent to 253 rupees. And everybody can join the club and acquire all products and services at members' price. The model for economic vibrancy is this, that everyone can, all members can transform their paper currency or paper assets into gold, into SAM's Holochain Gold, which will be available to them at 2% discount. Gold is sold at London Bullion Metal Association price to jewelers who have jewelry license. But we are offering gold from our gold mines processed in our LBMA approved refineries at 2% discount. So everybody can have that additional revenue to fight the economic pandemic. The healthcare issue is solved by SAM's TQLMA Global signing the contract with a UK-based manufacturer of COVID-19 test kits, which we will be providing to global mothers who will be enrolled in Global Executive MBA, Gamba in Climate Smart Entrepreneurship, and trained in total quality healthcare, total quality climate smart construction, climate smart agriculture, and climate smart education to provide their services as a teacher in Wheel of Life Farm School, which has been developed by Dr. Paul Olivier to transform all waste of our planet into useful products. So one of the unique product which we have developed is to transform plastic waste and agricultural waste into disaster-proof building materials, which can be utilized to produce 5G-proof homes and all Gemba mothers who will be joining our program with 5,300 PGC will become the homeowner of 53,000 PGC through the earnings they will be doing during the 53 months of Global Executive MBA program. They will be actually building these homes and farm schools. And around the farm school, we will be building 110 5G proof home community, and all total quality services of healthcare, education, and serving immunity climate smart food to residents of our planet from our 724 restaurants will be provided by the mothers. And every family through this program will be able to enjoy sustainable total quality life. So blessed Friday to everyone. Welcome aboard. Join TQLMA Club. We are implementing this program in Pakistan with a mission to build 5 million homes for Honorable Prime Minister Imran Khan with agility in 2021. We are duplicating this model of Pakistan where we are collaborating with Community Development Foundation headed by Mrs. Mariam Khan, who is enabling 2 billion mothers, enrolling 2 billion mothers in our Gemba program to become climate smart entrepreneurs. So the same model which we are implementing in Pakistan, SAMS TQLMA Global providing total quality services as a for-profit organization, and Community Development Foundation helping everyone out through profits which we have dedicated for social entrepreneurship projects. 0.5% of our gold revenue will go to CDF, and 7% of the net profit of SAMS TQLMA Global will go to CDF, and through that funds, all the social entrepreneurship projects will be managed. So that model, we are implementing it in Canada, where about $1 billion is offered by the government to provide houses to homeless. It's a rapid housing initiative in Canada. And variety of different incentive packages are being offered by governments in United States, in Europe, and in every country of our world. And we would love to provide services, cost-effective services to combat COVID-19 in all UN member countries through our global team of scientists, engineers, and 2 billion mothers supporting the whole programs, which we are capable of executing. So everyone will be a tough 2021. We are planning to give a Christmas gift of Gamba to all mothers, so we can begin the work of coming out of COVID-19 in 2021, and then enjoy a total quality inflation-free, COVID-19 free life in 2022 and beyond. So everyone is welcome to participate. We are also helping, we have initiated our company, incorporated our company in Uganda. So we are helping all the residents of East Africa over there. We are also in the process of incorporating our company in Sierra Leone to assure that all the residents of ECOWAS countries are catered to. All the mothers are enrolled in ECOWAS. We have a good representation in North Africa, in Tunisia, as well as in South Africa. So basically we are covering the continent of Africa also by enrolling mothers into our program and providing total quality services to all residents of Africa. So the plan is to really provide the services to all residents of our planet. So everyone can participate. Everyone can join with one PGC, TQ Elma Club, and we will be using this one PGC, contributed by all residents of our planet, incorporate our company as foreign direct investment company, enjoying startup New York type incentives in all UN member countries, so we can cost effectively execute our Wheel of Life farm school building projects in university campuses, farms, and gold mines of our world, so that everyone can enjoy this total quality life without really traveling a lot, which is traveling and transportation of goods is not climate smart. So we are trying to provide total quality products and services to everyone where they are living, where they are currently residing. So that is our model to make sure that we try to innovate all climate smart practices and inculcate those practices in global families, so we can really delight our planet and protect ourselves from all the natural disasters which we are experiencing because we are not protecting our mother earth. So let's delight every mother of our planet, and the mothers will make sure that we delight the mother earth, and then everybody can enjoy a safe, healthy, harmonious, peaceful, total quality life. Thank you very much for your time. Iltamas dua in Salatul Jumu'ah, and just welcome aboard to TQ Elma Club to initiate the wonderful journey, exciting journey of climate smart entrepreneurship. Thank you very much. Translate this message in all languages. Mothers can summarize this in languages spoken in their community and communicate that with community members so that everybody can join and we collectively assure that we get rid of COVID-19 in 2021 and collectively enjoy total quality life. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.